Hello everyone, happy Earth Day, and today I want to dedicate this video in celebration for Earth Day. So let's help together protecting and caring our environment or Mother Nature. I call it as a Grow Your Awareness. So way back 2022 when I started my small backyard garden, I became more aware of what I eat, how it was grown, and what can be the impact to the environment as well. So as we learn and become more conscious on how we care with the soil, the water, and the whole ecosystem, this makes me realize that in a small way we can contribute to the fertility of the soil. And you don't need to go to the forest right now. And if you have a house that has backyard, you can start a small backyard garden, even in pots or containers. If the space doesn't permit you, you could always compost your peeled vegetables and other kitchen scraps that can be very beneficial for the soils and microorganisms. So indeed, awareness starts with you. And when you begin to ask backwards how you grow your foods and where it came from and it has absolutely big effect on your mind, your body, your soul, and to your environment and the nature as well. So being sensitive to our environment, like observe like the small creatures, insects, and using non-toxic chemicals at home or in your yard is already great help in return. So as we all are connected to each others like trees in the forest, let's help save our planet by planting back even just one tree in our lifetime, or by being mindful of what you throw in the soil. In conserving our natural resources and lands, we are nurturing every life, because I believe that when there is life, there is love. By educating ourselves, our children, and bring our own awareness, even in just a small way, it can have ripple effects. So as nature nurtures and helps us well-being, and I believe it's really great to give back to continue the cycle. And by teaching our children and community and ourselves to observe what effects by not caring to our environment or neglecting it is really very awakening. And you can act and make changes as well. So let's help the soil and planet in return. And in return, we can create a healthy environment and a more conscious society. Thank you for watching and happy Earth Day!